Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are enjoying your winter vacations. Along with this, we are starting our online classes. In physics, today we are starting from chapter number 4, and today's our topic is turning effect of a force. So, we will understand what is the effect. Number one, the ability of a force to rotate an object about a fixed point or axis is called a turning effect of a force. That's meant force can rotate any body along a fixed point. Let's discuss it with some examples. There is a first example, a seesaw. You can see at this seesaw there are two children are sitting at either sides. Opening of a door, it is also turned the door upon its axis, a fixed axis. Another example, opening of a water tap. If you open a water tap, you will rotate its opener by your hand. So that's meant you apply a force on their ending points to rotate them. The next term, which is very important, is rigid body. What is a rigid body? A body in which the distance between any 2 points, if there is a body, then a distance of any 2 points remains constant when force is applied. That type of body is called a rigid body. Is it clear? Any body whose 2 points during its rotation when force is applied having a same or a constant distance, then that type of body is called a rigid body. Any metallic rod, wooden stick may be a rigid body. After this, what is axis of rotation? During rotation, if a body is rotating, like water tap, like spanner, like seesaw, all particles move in a circular path. Whenever they are in rotating, they rotate along a circular path. Is it clear? Suppose at seesaw you see that boy and girl are sitting either sides, they are rotating. Same this, the wheel is circulating. In this wheel, the imaginary line, straight line, that straight line about which the body rotate, that imaginary line, you can see in red line, it is an imaginary line. About this line, this body is rotating. So this line is called the axis of rotation. The line is axis of rotation. The next, we understand it with activity. There is a seesaw, a boy is sitting at one end, a girl with other end, with weight, balancing with a weight. Now the girl come near, but boy is downward side. How can this girl put upward direction? Now movement arm increases by the girl. She sit at the end side. So by sitting at the end side, the movement arm increase. There are two things which rotate this body. There are two things. Number one, the magnitude of the bodies. That's mean their weight, their mass. So we can conclude this. Turning effect depends on, number one, magnitude of the force. Number two, distance from axis of rotation. If we increase the distance from the axis of rotation, then we can increase the effect of force. Same effect of force can increase by increasing the magnitude. The line of action of a force. The straight line along which a force act is called. It is a straight line on which force is acting. It is called line of action of force. The straight line at which you are applying your force toward any point, then this line will be line of action of force. Now moment are the perpendicular distance between the line of action of force. You can see the arrow with red upside, line of action, so and axis of rotation, so it is called moment arm. Okay, the perpendicular distance between line of action of force and axis of rotation, it is called moment arm. So we understand this term also, moment arm.